Hello and welcome to the concluding episode of Season 2 Musical Medley.
The 7 episodes of the season have shown us how our everyday language has been shaped by mythology. These age-old stories or practices have been summarized in one single word or phrase.
We use these words or phrases in our daily conversation without realizing the genesis of these words. We tend to overlook the relevance that mythology still has in our lives.
Just like the 7 tones harmonize in a musical melody, mythologies harmonize in our languages. It leaves back a sense of intrigue.
In this journey of an auditory extravaganza, let us take some time to relook and reflect on our age-old stories. We should take note that mythology have transgressed time and borders, be it Tibetan mythologies influence on English or Arabic tales influence on Hindi. It has truly intervened humans in the past, present and the future.
Therefore, we harp on striving to find the similarities and not uniqueness. Let's start the revolution to realize that humans and the mythologies are mostly the same.
And this brings us to the conclusion of Season 2, the season of musical medley. Hope that you also had an excellent journey in this mythological medley.
In the forthcoming season, Season 3, we will decode how places have been defined by the mythologies.
Till then, strive for similarities and not uniqueness. Namodayam Eva Satyam.